Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is an option called Storage Sense in Windows 11 that can be used to automate the number of files on the hard disk and also what is to clean up, basically if you actually don't need it. A storage sense is made really to clean the system of its older files, the recycle bin, temporary files, things like that. And it is an option that can keep your hard drive from always accumulating gigabytes and gigabytes of files. So you can go to your Start, your Settings, and the Settings. You can go into the System tab and to the Storage tab, where we actually talked about the amount of gigabytes used. Here you can go to Storage Sense. By default, it is off. You can turn it on if you want. And here is the different options for Storage Sense. One is automatic user content cleanup. Is it on? That's the Storage Sense option. Configure cleanup schedules. So this will run depending on the option that you will choose. You can run Storage Sense during just low disk space moments, but you can also say, no, I wanted to clean it regularly. So you could run it once a day, once a week, once a month. Then there's the option to delete files in the recycle bin, and there's a time frame. You want to delete them never, after a day, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days. Be careful what you choose here, because once they're gone, they're gone. And sometimes they're in the recycle bin, and a day or two later, you're like, oh, I deleted a file I need. So maybe choosing every day is not necessarily the best option. Then there's deleting files in the downloads folder, which is something I don't choose because there are things in there that I've downloaded that I just keep there rather than put in other folders. And I know that that's where I can find something. So, but if you download files regularly and you have the habit of either, having them somewhere else, making a copy somewhere else, or just don't need them after a certain amount of time, you can say, well, you can download, delete the download folders after a day, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days. Once again, being careful, understanding that some of the files might be useful again. And so you have to understand that once that is deleted, it's deleted for good. And of course, there's content that can be online only, like in different folders. If you're using if you're using really the OneDrive app on your Windows. If you're using OneDrive, you can tell your computer that files that have not been opened after a certain amount of time are available only in the cloud, not on your PC. This will keep an icon of those files on your PC, but the file itself will not be there, so it's not going to take space. And so these are the options that you can do. Of course, there's the one that goes with the smartphone, if you have a smartphone and you're using the PhoneLink app also. And of course, you can run Storage Sense now if you want to. So this makes it an automated way of removing unnecessary files and keeping your hard drive in a clean state automatically without you having to do anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.